Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box. This is my first box for 2024, so this is my January Stitch Fix box. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to help you choose 5 items to put into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. I no longer pay that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. So each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me throughout the year. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so a couple weeks before your box is supposed to be shipped to you, you should receive an email with about 10 items for you to look at and to decide if you want any of those items to be included into your box. And so for this box, I did choose all 5 items. So we're going to go ahead and get into my box to see what I got for this month. Right on top is my prepaid mailer envelope. So you're going to use this bag to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make exchanges, you'll use this bag to send things back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. Also inside my box is my white envelope, and inside this envelope is my price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 64 for me. Also inside that white envelope is your Oh Hello card, and this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. All right, guys, I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, exciting news. The items you selected in your Fix preview have arrived. The holiday season is here, and it's the perfect time to gift yourself at checkout with these fresh finds. Share your feedback on each item, and as your personal style curators, will ensure your next fix is just right for you. Speaking of next time, what else can we help you check off your list during this busy time of year? We've got just what you need, from looks to wear while crushing those New Year goals to cozy options for post-holiday lounging. Leave us a note and we'll do the rest. Cheers, Tara. So my bundle has fallen apart, so I'm going to get those items out real quick. All right, guys, here's what my bundle looks like. And so the cardigan fell out. I'm really loving these colors for this time of year, so let's check these things out. All right, we'll start with the cardigan that fell out. It's by Love Ellie, the Ivy Cable Knit Detail Cardigan in light gray. And so I did ask my stylist to look for a light gray cardigan, and she found this one and put it in my Fix preview. So here's what it looks like. It's kind of a thicker weight cardigan. It does have very pretty cable knit details on the cardigan. There are no slits on the sides, no pockets on the front, but I do love these really pretty extra details on this cardigan. This is what the back looks like. So I'm excited to try that on. All right, the next item is by Beacon, the Lena Relaxed Blouse in purple. And so here's what that blouse looks like. It does have like some smocking at the shoulder here. I love the colors in this blouse. It looks like the background is navy, but it has like some pinks and some burnt oranges and some purples. It does have some smocking down here. It is a little bit sheer because I can see through it. And it does look like it has a balloon sleeve. There are buttons going down the front. And it does look to be a little bit shorter, so hopefully that'll be long enough for me. We shall see when I try that one on. All right, guys, the next item is by Market and Spruce, the Aspen Cropped Blouson Sleeve Sweater in burnt orange. And it did say it was cropped, but it didn't look super short, so I'm hoping it will work for me. So here's what this one looks like. It's just a really pretty burnt orange sweater. It does have a lot of stretch to it. It is a ribbed sweater. Here's the cuff at the end of the sleeve. So just a really plain basic sweater. But again, I'm just hoping it'll be long enough for me. But I like how soft and stretchy it is. The next item is by Serein. It is the Sam Relaxed Blouse in black. And here's what that looks like. It's a black background. It has like a floral print. The print has like pinks and beiges, and there's some blue in there. It does have some ruffled details up here at the top. The sleeve does have elastic at the end, and the back has a keyhole at the top. I think this is just a really pretty blouse that I could put a cardigan over. It does have some slips on the sides. The last item is another cardigan by Market and Spruce. It is the Henry Heritage Cable Knit Cardigan in burgundy. And I have been looking for more of a true red cardigan. And so when I saw this in my fixed preview, I decided to try it. So here's what that looks like. It does have kind of like, almost like a waffle texture. And it does have a little bit of a heathered look to it with a little bit of black going through it. Get up close so you can see that. It does have some cable knit details there. This sweater does have slips on the side. The back has that pretty detail going down the middle. It does have a nice cuff at the end of the sleeve. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one on because like I said, I've been looking for a more true red colored cardigan, and every time I think I'm getting that, it's really more of a dark purple. So I'm gonna get ready to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the first item, and this is the Market and Spruce sweater. And this sweater was the one that said that it was cropped, but it's not super cropped, which is nice. I do usually have things come down a little bit longer, but I don't think this one is bad. I do love this burnt orange color. It does have ribbing throughout the sweater. It's kind of heathered with like a little bit of cream in there. And the burnt orange to me almost lends itself to almost like a pink as well. It does have the ribbing down here coming down on the cuff. It does have like a balloon sleeve. It's very soft and stretchy. The length, here's the top of my pants, so it's not super cropped. And it does come straight around on the back. So what do you guys think about this sweater? Is it too short for me? I probably wouldn't pair this sweater with these light wash jeans. I'd probably do something darker. I do have a pair of dark brown dress pants that I think would look really nice with this. So you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna try on the next item and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the second item, and it's this blouse by Beacon. And so it is a polyester blouse. It does have a navy background with a really pretty vibrant floral print. There's pinks, there's purple, there's gray, and there's burnt orange in the floral print. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that floral print. It does have smocking at the end of the wrist, and there's smocking up here at the shoulders. It does have the V right here, like I said, with the buttons going down. It is a shorter length, and I'm used to really having my blouses a little bit longer, but this is about the length of that sweater I just tried on, so I don't think it's too bad. It definitely has like a balloon sleeve, and it does come shorter in the front and a little bit longer in the back. I really do like the colors and the floral print of this top, but you guys tell me what you think. All right, I'm gonna try the gray cardigan on over top of it because the floral print does have gray in it, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I put the gray cardigan over top of this floral print blouse, and the cardigan is by Love Ellie, and it's a cable knit cardigan. So I did ask my stylist to get me some cardigans, and gray was one that I was looking for. It is a thicker weight cardigan. It's very soft, and I don't feel anything in it that's feeling itchy or anything like that. It's very soft. I do love all of these details on the cardigan. I do wish it had pockets, but that's not a deal breaker for me. I'm going to turn it around real quick so you can see the detail going down the back of the cardigan. I really think it's pretty, and I think light gray is a color that pairs well with tops and things like that for work. So you guys tell me what you think. I really like the length as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna try on the next blouse and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the Blouse by Serein, and it is a little more dressy. I feel like the other blouse I could wear with the jeans and it would be fine, but this one definitely needs some dress pants to go with it because I definitely wouldn't pair it with light wash jeans like I have on, but for the sake of the try on, we're gonna go ahead and go with that. So this blouse has a black background and it does have a floral print that has like some pinks and some kind of like golden colors and beiges and things like that. It's hard to see it, but there are ruffles going down the shoulder right here and here. It has a rounded neckline. It does have a long sleeve. There is elastic at the end of the sleeve. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the print. There's even some blue in there that pops out. It is a little bit longer than the last blouse, and it is a touch longer in the back, and it does have a slit on the side. The back does have a keyhole at the top. I would definitely pair this blouse with like black work pants or something like that, but I do think it's very pretty. What do you guys think about this blouse? All right, guys, I'm gonna put the red cardigan over top of this blouse so we can try that cardigan on and see what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the red cardigan from Market and Spruce. And this one is not as heavyweight as the gray cardigan, but I do love this color. This is kind of what I've been looking for, which is more of a true red cardigan. It does have some heathering in it with kind of like the black. It does have like texture on the sleeve, almost like a waffle knit. There's the cable knit detail going down the front. Very soft. It does have a slit on the side. I'm going to turn around real quick so you can see the detail going down the middle of the cardigan. I probably wouldn't pair this cardigan with this blouse, but I do have lots of tops that I think it will pair with nicely. So you guys tell me what you think. All right, guys, I'm going to get changed and I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about prices. And overall, I think this was a great fix for me. So let's get started. The first item is the light gray cardigan by Ellie, the Ivy cable knit detail cardigan. And the cost of this cardigan is $46. This is a very chunky sweater. It is soft. It's not scratchy at all. And I do think it's going to pair nicely with a lot of items in my closet. The thicker weight will be perfect for this time of year because it's finally gotten colder here where I live. So I think that's a good one. The next item on the list is the second cardigan, and it's by Market and Spruce, the Henry Heritage cable knit cardigan in burgundy, and the cost of this one is $46.99. Now, when I looked online, this one was regularly like $78, and it's marked down for $46.99 here, but I do know that it's 50% off, so it's like $38 and some change right now. So I do think that's gonna be a good deal. I love the more true red color that I've been looking for. It's a little bit lighter weight than the gray cardigan. It's soft, nice cardigan. I know I wouldn't have paid $77 or $78 for that cardigan, but with it being 50% off, I think I'm gonna pick that one up. All right, guys, the next item on my list is also by Market and Spruce, the Aspen cropped Blouson sleeve sweater in burnt orange, and the cost of this one is $46. That was this sweater right here. It is burnt orange, but it also looks like a dark, maybe like dusty pink. It does have the ribbing throughout it. It did say it was cropped, but I do think it came down long enough for me. It's very soft, very stretchy, and I think it will pair nicely with like my brown dress pants for work and things like that. The next item on the list is the Blouse by Beacon, the Lena Relaxed Blouse in purple, and the cost of this one is $46. And that was this really pretty blouse that had the navy background with the really pretty floral print with the pinks and the purples, the grays, and the burnt orange. I do think I'll be able to pair this blouse with a lot of different colored cardigans. I even have a burnt orange denim jacket that I could use, so I really like that one. It was a little bit shorter. It does come down a little bit longer in the back, but I don't think it's too short for me. But you guys tell me what you think. And then the last item on the list is by Serein, the Sam Relaxed Blouse in black. And this one is also $46. And this one was the one that had the black background with the floral print that had lots of different colors. There's like pinks and there's golden colors. There's some pops of blue in there. It does have that ruffle detail at the top, but I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I do think this is a little bit more of a dressier blouse than the other one, because I think the other one could be dressed up or dressed more casually, but this one is definitely a little bit more dressier. Again, I like that blouse. All right, guys, so my stylist pick subtotal is $230.99. The buy all 5 discount would take off $57.75, leaving me with an order subtotal of $173.24. Like I said, I did check the checkout and that cardigan is marked down some more. So I think I'm going to be able to take off another like $8 or something. And so I'm probably going to be paying around $165 for all 5 items. I don't have any credit, so that would be like my final cost. So you guys tell me what you think. I do think I'm going to be keeping all 5 items. I have great luck with Stitch Fix. Usually most of my boxes are 5 out of 5. I've been doing it for a long time and I really enjoy the convenience of this service. And so my entire family does Stitch Fix. My husband gets boxes, my daughter gets boxes, and then I get boxes. And so we really enjoy Stitch Fix. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That referral link is good for first-time men and women customers for Stitch Fix. And so basically that's going to give you $25, and it's going to waive your styling fee, so you're not going to have to pay anything up front. The items would get shipped to you for free and you would get to try them on. And then if you decide to keep anything, then that $25 would get applied to whatever you're keeping. What I love about Stitch Fix is that you only pay for what you keep. Shipping is free both ways. So you would just send back any items that you're not keeping in that prepaid mailer envelope, and that just makes it really nice and convenient. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.